All right, in this video, we're going to talk about Tesla real quick because I want to get this video out before the market opens. But we're in for an interesting day today. But yes, real quick, let's just look at what happened yesterday. You see the Dow, the NASDAQ, the S&P, for the most part, it's just like, okay, serious volatility. But for the most part, most of the indexes close flat. And I actually think that's a good thing. Now, today's action is going to be just sparked by NVDA. NVIDIA is up 10% in the after hours. But this video is about Tesla. And at the end, I'll go ahead and look at NVIDIA real quick. But first, if you can hit the subscribe button, I appreciate it. And I promise you I won't shill you ever. Weeble. Anyway, okay, here we go. So Tesla closed at 200 yesterday. This little area right here, I wanted you to focus on because this area was the video yesterday. I was concerned about it opening right there. I was like, this looked like good support, but it wasn't strong support. That's what yesterday's video was about. And I said, we're probably going to break right through it and go down to this next level. So then I drew the next level, then I drew the next level. And sure enough, which was the good thing, let me make this a little bigger. So you can see this. You can see how we always bounced off the support line. For the most part, 190. We're going to call it 190, right? 190, 190. And here, we didn't reach it. This tells me that people wanted in before we got down here. The buyers came in, and you could see that. You could see that right here with the volume, right? So you had people selling, and you had people buying. They were selling right into the buyers. And then you can see how we snapped back. This is the hour chart. And we basically, this big red bar, this big red body bar, we basically negated it. It's gone. It's gone because the bulls brought it right back. And then notice how this is the downtrend line. This is the recent downtrend line. It's only a few days. It's amazing how these charts work. It's amazing because it's amazing how we close right on the trend line. And this is why I do what I do. And, you know, some people want to get all technical, CCA, this and that, and MACD and this, and the T1 and T2, T3 and R1, R2. I don't do all of that stuff. Support and resistance, trend lines, make it simple and it works. And hey, go back and look at my previous videos and you can check it out. Hey, check out that Lucid video, down 25%. I called it. Anyway, all right, so here we go. So I digress. I always wanted to say that. I digress. All right, so we're right up on this trend line, and we're going to open up at 2:0. Right now, I'm indicating 203.95, 204. So we're going to be somewhere right here. Now, I think this is good. If the market can hold itself up, I think Tesla can have that momentum to finally bust through this 208, 209 area resistance, right? This is a pretty strong resistance, even though it's because what I got to the left, you don't see it here. And then if I zoom out, go to the 4-hour chart, maybe we can make a play at this 215, 216 area, right? For the most part, that 210, 209, 215, it's almost like a zone with these guys right here. See how sloppy this is right here? It's going to be a little slop right here as well because people got the different levels, right? Buying and selling at different levels in this zone. And we're going to kind of experience the same thing. I think it's going to be a little sloppy, but we're going to blast through it, right? I just think that we are still on course for March 1st to hit that target area. That's why it's gray. I got it. I'm telling you where it's going to go. I'm telling you. A lot of different YouTubers, you know, they'll say, oh, okay, it's going to hit this and then it can do this and do that and do this and do this. And then it kind of come over here. Then we can either go down or we can either go up, you know, or it might go sideways. I'm like, what's the point? Why am I watching your videos if you're not even going to tell me what it's going to do? I mean, think about it. Think about it. Anyway, I digress. Anyway, so I'm having fun with this video, man. Excuse me. So I'm telling you where I think it's going to go. So you can use this video as a receipt if it doesn't get there. I really think we're going to be in this area by March 1st. I don't know how. I don't know when. But I think here or after March 1st. Now let's say it falls short. After March 1st, they do something good. And I think we're just going to tag this area. And then it's going to be time for a new video. Then we might go down, because you have to remember that Tesla is still in a downtrend, right? I got the weekly. This is the weekly, and I got the downtrend line. This is the major downtrend. I can't wait until we break this, because then it's really confirmation that everything is, we're headed higher. It's just going to be confirmation that Tesla is finally ready to start working towards the all-time high. Not get there next week, next month, not even this year, but we're starting to make higher prices with higher highs and higher lows, and that's what I'm looking forward to. Now, what is going to spark that off at least today, and that's going to be NVDA. NVIDIA reported earnings that people liked. They liked it. Hey, Mikey, I like it. Hey, I digress. Anyway, NVIDIA closed at 207, gonna open about 223. It's about 10% to the upside. It's going to be challenged right there by this high. So let me go to the 4-hour chart. Just take a little quick look at what's going to happen here. Right in this area, we are going to open. So I think it's going to be challenged here. It's probably going to be a sell, once it gets up here, sell. It's going to be real interesting to see if NVIDIA, after that incredible run from the bottom, it's probably better than Tesla. Now Tesla was up like 100. Yeah, this is about the same, up 106. About 106, 107%, right? From that low in 132 days, 3 months. That's incredible, right? So we're going to be challenging that high. Look at that resistance. It's really strong. I actually need to do another video because I'm talking about NVIDIA too long, but right there. So anyway, thanks to NVIDIA, Tesla will be making a move towards the upside, trying to break upper overhead resistance on its way to this major downtrend line to sit right there at my target area, trade trades. Anyway, thanks for watching, man. Hey, subscribe, man. I really need you to subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you agree with me. Let me know if you're like, Trade Ted, you're full of, you know what? You're full of it. Let me know. I want it in the comments. Hit the thumbs down, hit the thumbs up. I really want to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'm Dre, and I'm out.